Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's video, and I'm at the Grand Bazaar. And so I'll take you inside and show you what this one looks like. It's a little different than the spice market, but I'll show you all the same I can. Thanks everybody, bye-bye. All right, the Grand Bazaar, 1461. And this one too, you have to get your temperature taken. And now this one's bigger and spread out more. I think the spice market, well, you know, I guess this whole thing has been a market non-stop. So we'll go this way. What the heck? Lots of gold. A whole bunch of gold. Holy crap. I'll take 2 of those and 2 of those and give me 1 of those. And you can keep her. And there's roads on every corner. We'll go this way. Oh, I guess I'm going to keep going straight. And we'll see where this goes. Kind of interesting. Yeah, it's pretty big and pretty crazy. Every road looks like, how you doing? Just doing well. Thank you. Wow. You could get lost here in a second.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, let's go this way. It's just because it looks architecturally. It looks older too. This looks like the old part of the Grand Bazaar. Yeah, you can anytime. This is the old bazaar, gate 3. And there's a sign here. Let's go look at this sign. This one says I got no idea what that says. But we'll go right. I'll just keep going straight so I don't get too crazily lost. Rugs and water. Competition was banned in the bazaar up to the 19th century. The shops called did not have a name, number, or signboard. Huh, okay. Interesting. And the carpets are amazing. That's a crazy carpet there. Wow. This is a big place. Let's go this way. You know, there's no way I'm going to be able to show you every single street and every single nook and cranny and every single store. Amazing carpets. I bet I bought one of these already. Golly. Antique Market, Old Bazaar. And what's this way? This way just looks Interesting. And what's this way look? Okay. You know, I think the reality of it is, look at the carpets though. They're kind of interesting how the design looks kind of funky, huh? You know, I hesitate to stop and look too much because you know what's going to happen. 3 people are going to run out and offer me a treat and a tea and to feel up every carpet ever made. You know, I guess if you're a shopper, if your deal is shopping, I guess this is the place to go. Wow. And again, the carpets are amazing. And the lights are amazing. Wow. Okay, I ran across the freeway of the Grand Bazaar. How you doing? Wow. This is like the major road of the Grand Bazaar, I guess. Wow, crazy. That's a COVID cough. I'm out of here. You know, it's funny these days. A year ago, somebody would cough on you and hand them a tissue. Today, somebody coughs and you are out of there. That cough's going 25 feet some direction. I guess it's not so funny though, is it? And look at the sign. I don't know where the sign goes, but... All right. That's it for me, everybody. Have a great day.